It is intriguing to watch. Intriguing means fascinating and curious. To watch Evelyn function so effortlessly. Effortlessly means without making any effort, like nobody can see any stress on her face while performing. In our in our 2 hour discussion, she never missed a word. Whose discussion was going on here? There was a discussion between the writer of this chapter, Deborah Cowley, and Evelyn Glennie. She never missed a word in their discussion. Men with bushy beards give me trouble, she laughed. Why men with bushy beards give her trouble? As she is not able to see their lip movements properly because of the beard. It is not just watching the lips, it's the whole face, especially the eyes. Actually, she doesn't just notices the lip movement, but she sees the entire expressions of the face, especially the eyes. She speaks flawlessly. Flawlessly means without a fault or mistake, with a Scottish lilt. Lilt means a way of speaking, or you can say accent. As she belongs to Scotland, that's why she speaks a Scottish accent. My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11. She says that her speech was clear because she was able to listen at till the age of 11. But that doesn't explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. She managed to learn French and basic Japanese also. As for music, she explains, it pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in the skin. Tingles means causes a slight pricking or stinging sensation. My cheekbones and even in my hair. She says that she used to feel music through every part of her body, her skin, her cheekbones, and even through her hair. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. Whenever she plays xylophone, she can sense that sound is passing through the stick into her fingertips. By leaning against the drums, she can feel the resonances flowing into her body. Resonances means echoes of sounds. Whenever she is playing the drums, she feels that echoes of sounds are flowing into her body. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations pass through her bare feet and up her legs. Evelyn used to play on a wooden platform because she used to remove shoes there so that she could feel the vibrations through her bare feet and up to her legs. Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audiences. Delights means make them happy. Evelyn used to make her audience very happy. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award, says master percussionist James Blades. God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. He says that whatever we can hear, she can feel that thing. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. Workaholic means a person who finds it difficult to stop working. I've just got to work, often harder than classical musicians, but the rewards are enormous. She says that whatever she got, the rewards, those are very big for her work. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She does charity also. That's why she used to give free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She also gives high priority. Priority means great importance to classes for young musicians. Anne Richlin of the Beethoven Fund for deaf children says, she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. She is a great inspiration for the deaf children. She filled them with great confidence. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. Accomplished means achieved. Means she was too young to get so many awards. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. What happens generally actually, percussionists used to play drums and xylophone. They sit at back or one side, but she brought them forward. She kept them in the front of the orchestra. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped, people who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. She has not just motivated and inspired others, but she has given pleasure to millions. Thank you.